So the breadfruit are in the fire. New way of roasting breadfruit. The maga roast quick, no, like how they turn.
And that make them roast quick and make our breadfruit.
Okay. And this is the prickle skin, no so? You would them a serve a purpose. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video guys, I am going to do some roast breadfruit for my dinner. So you see how them look, big and nice. So I got these from the country today. I'm so blessed. So you know, I am going to prepare this with some curry chicken back. So I'm going to show you guys the chicken back. So here's the chicken back guys. You know, two bony at all. Taban like a flesh. I may alone normally cut off this and dash it with people. I normally cut it and throw it away. I don't eat this, you know, but if other people in the house eat it, I would then leave it. But for me, I am not going to have this chicken bam bam here. I ain't doing that. So guys, I'm going to find a way to catch up the phone and try cut it up so you guys can see from there. And you know people, I know people who cook the chicken back with this in the middle. I know someone who did it. So guys, what I am going to do, I am going to put the chicken back in the pot because it is curry I am going to use. I don't want the curry to mess up this because it is white. And you know that I got hard to come out. So I'm going to add the chicken back to this pot here. So when the curry is added, you know, it's not going to create a mess. So I know my head are cut off because of how the camera is fixed, but that's okay. So here are the seasons that I cut up. So you have the sweet pepper, the garlic, hot pepper, pimento seed, onion, scallion, and the chicken back is right here. So I am going to add all of this to it. So the two main seasons that I use is the chicken Maggi and the chicken all-purpose. Jesus Christ, me I sweat like crazy. The time is so freaking hot. So I am going to rub in all of this now. So guys, this is it after I finish adding all my season. So I'm going to put it in the fridge, let it marinate for probably about 10 minutes because it is now 6 o'clock. I do not have much time for it to stay for a long while so the season can soak in it, but I think it's seasoned up good enough where it is going to taste good even if it don't marinate for a long while. But people, I'm going to show you guys how I am sweating. I am telling you, this heat is a hell of a heat. This is me after I finished seasoning the meat and doing everything, and look how I am sweating. Look at this. This is not normal. The heat is too much. I cannot manage. Oh, hey. So the breadfruit are in the fire. New way of roasting breadfruit. I'm gonna roast quick. No, like how then turn.
And then that make them roast quick and make our breadfruit.
Okay. And this is the prickle skin, no so? You would them a serve a purpose now though. After all. So guys, when me I do my curry, I don't normally strip off this. Like when I am going to put it in the oil to burn, I put it in the oil with it on it like that. And this is how I do it. And you guys see the breadfruit is outside roasting. So look at it, it is looking so good in the pot. I'm going to cover it up. So the breadfruit is roast. The one are really ripe, this one turn. So you know them are going nice. They're going to taste so good. I don't really mind when the breadfruit them kind of turn. And it is so funny, when I was a child, I never fancy breadfruit. Now I'm grown, I love breadfruit. What a world.
I understand what you mean.
No, me never want the green one to dirty up, because it go black. So I should have the red one.
That's alright. A clean one will go on it. This I just kind of shake off. Even if it black up, it can't come out.
So guys, I'm going to put the second season in the pot. So you know, in time this cook down, that's it. Pot land. So this is the finished product of my roast breadfruit and chicken back. Take a look at it. It looks so yummy, ain't it? So these are my tomatoes at the side. You know, you can't eat without a little vegetable. That's right. So if you have reached this far in the video, please remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend about Roots Girl channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace out.